Alright guys, Will the Real Deal Mechanic here. Got another video for y'all. This is on the 2004 Saab 9.5. Basically putting in the driver signal or side marker lens assembly. So yeah, basically it's broke. That's the reason I've gotten another one. You can pick them up on eBay. I think it was like 30 bucks for one. Yeah, they're pretty simple to get out because basically when it's in, you can't really see it, but right there, that's a clip. You're gonna push your finger down on that clip, and when you push your finger down on that clip, it'll slide right out. That's the part that's sticking in there. This was the part that you would push down on, and it frees it up. Basically, then you just gotta take the bulb out, which you just turn it, pull the bulb out. Here's a new one. Anyways, shiny new one right here. So basically, you want to hook your bulb in there. Once you get your bulb in there, you're gonna stick it in place. It goes in this little slot right here, right there. You stick it in there, push everything in here where it's supposed to go. Push it in. That simple. That's replacing the side marker on a 2004 Saab 9.5. Alright everybody, like and subscribe. Thanks.